Welcome back to Learn and Success. I'm Jahid, and today I'm going to share something powerful with you. It's a 10-minute daily practice. Yes, just 10 minutes. This simple habit can completely change your English fluency. If you practice this every single day, your speaking will become faster, your words will come naturally, and you will feel more confident every time you speak English. I know it sounds simple, but sometimes the simplest methods are the most powerful. This is the same type of method many successful language learners use to go from "I understand English, but I can't speak" to "I speak naturally and confidently." So, if you're ready, let's begin. First, let's understand why just 10 minutes can make such a huge difference. When most people think about learning English, they imagine long classes, thick grammar books, and hours of studying. But the truth is, your brain learns language through small and regular contact, not through long and rare study sessions. Your brain needs daily exposure to English. Even 10 minutes every day can be more effective than studying for 2 hours once a week. Why? Because your brain stays connected to the language. It starts recognizing words faster. It remembers phrases more easily, and it slowly builds confidence in speaking. 10 minutes may feel small, but over 1 month, that becomes 300 minutes of focused English practice. That's 5 full hours of improvement. Now let's talk about the real goal of this practice. Many learners focus only on knowing English. They want to memorize grammar rules. They want to learn vocabulary lists. They want to pass exams. But fluency is not only about knowing English. Fluency is about using English naturally. So the goal of this 10-minute routine is very simple: to make English feel natural, to make speaking automatic, to help you stop translating in your head and start thinking directly in English. And the best part is, you don't need a teacher, an expensive course, or a classroom. You can do this anywhere, at home, in your kitchen, while walking outside, or even while traveling on a bus. Now let me show you exactly how to do this practice. We will divide these 10 minutes into 5 easy steps. You can follow all the steps together or adjust them based on your schedule. The most important thing is consistency. Do it every single day. Step 1. Listen for 2 minutes. The first 2 minutes are for listening. Choose something simple in English. It can be a podcast, a short YouTube video, or a small conversation. You can also listen to videos from Learn and Success. Make sure you understand at least 80% of what you hear. Don't worry if you miss a few words. While listening, don't translate everything into your native language. Instead, focus on the sound, the rhythm, and the way English words connect together. This trains your ears to understand English naturally and prepares your brain for speaking. Here's a pro tip. Use the same short audio for 1 full week. Repetition builds fluency much faster than constantly changing materials. Step 2. Speak out loud for 2 minutes. Now it's time to speak. Take a few phrases or sentences from the audio and repeat them out loud. Copy the pronunciation. Copy the speed. Copy the emotion and melody. At first, it may feel strange, but this is exactly how your mouth learns to speak English more naturally. Speaking is a physical skill, just like riding a bicycle or playing a musical instrument. The more you move your mouth in English, the easier speaking becomes. And here's another important tip. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Fluency comes from repetition, not perfection. Step 3. Personalize for 2 minutes. Now take what you learned and make it personal. For example, if the audio says, "I usually wake up early," you can change it to, "I usually wake up at 6 a.m. or "I don't wake up early on weekends." This step is powerful because it connects English to your real life. That connection helps your brain remember the language more easily. You are no longer just copying English. You are using English. Step 4. Free speaking for 2 minutes. Now, speak freely for 2 minutes without reading anything. Talk about your day. Describe what you see around you. Explain your plans for tomorrow. Talk about your hobbies, your dreams, or your favorite places. The topic doesn't matter. The goal is to keep speaking continuously without stopping. At first, your speaking may feel slow, and that's completely okay. The goal is not speed. The goal is flow. With regular practice, Your words will come faster, and your sentences will sound more natural. Step 5. Reflect for 2 minutes. In the final 2 minutes, reflect on your practice. Ask yourself, which phrases felt easy? Which words were difficult? What mistakes did I notice? You don't need to write everything down, just think about it for a moment. This helps your brain organize what you learned and prepare for tomorrow's practice. And then repeat the process again the next day. Now, some people may ask, can just 10 minutes really improve fluency? The answer is yes. And here's why. First, repetition builds confidence. When you repeat useful English every day, it becomes automatic. Second, consistency improves memory. Your brain remembers better with small daily practice than with long and irregular study sessions. Third, daily speaking trains your brain to think and speak at the same time. And fourth, personalization creates emotional connection. When English becomes part of your real life, you stop forgetting it. The real secret is not what you do. The real secret is how consistently you do it. Now, before we finish, let's talk about 3 common mistakes learners make with this method. Mistake number 1, skipping days. Fluency grows through daily contact with English. If you stop practicing for weeks, you lose momentum and confidence. So, even if you're busy, do at least 5 minutes. A short practice is always better than no practice. Mistake number 2, waiting for perfection. Many people think, I'll speak when my grammar becomes perfect. But if you wait for perfection, you may never start speaking. Remember this, progress is more important than perfection. Language learning is messy, and that's normal. Mistake number 3, practicing without emotion. If your practice feels boring, your brain won't stay interested. So choose topics you truly enjoy. Talk about your passions. Talk about your goals and dreams. Make English personal and meaningful. So, my friends, now you know the secret. It's not a magic app. It's not a perfect grammar book. It's not a shortcut. It's just 10 minutes every single day. Listen, speak, personalize, free talk, reflect. If you do this for 1 week, you will feel the difference. If you do it for 1 month, other people will notice the difference. And if you continue for 6 months, your English fluency will completely transform. Remember, language is not built in one classroom lesson. It is built in small daily moments, while walking, while cooking, while sitting alone, even while brushing your teeth. So start today. Set a timer for 10 minutes and begin your journey. Thank you so much for watching Learn and Success. I'm Jahid, and until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.